Do your ceilings look like this? We've got cracks right in here, and it's the moment I walked in, I knew that's got mesh tape. And this is the type of tape you do not want to use on your ceilings. It does not hold back cracks at all. It actually shouldn't even be used on ceilings. It's thin, it's weak, and we're gonna fix these 4 joints up. They're all the same. Big bubble, and it makes quite a big mess when you pull it down, so I've been just trying to have the bucket underneath. As you can see, look at this. Does not hold anything back. Yeah. Very weak. Don't use it, and it can fold and crack. So what we're going to do today, we're going to switch it with some Fibafuse and some corner cement. And that'll make sure that these sheets, they're pretty solid, they're not moving around. It's just that product never works. We'll quickly prepare this, then we'll mix up some corner cement, and we'll just go straight over it with some corner cement and Fibafuse. 3 coats, shouldn't take too long at all. And for those professionals out there, we've got 4 of these joints, about 3 meters wide, 3.5 meters wide. How much would you charge to just fix this, to dig this out and fix it? Let me know how much you charge in your area. And let me know where you're watching from as well. And let me know anything, just say hello down in the comments. There we go. And I like to scrape down either side, so when I do my large blade, it's nice and smooth. But that's pretty much it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. If you haven't seen these before, I've showed them heaps of times in my videos. It's a bucket glove, like a flexible liner. Got hard corner cement in here. If that was in a bucket, it'd be pretty hard to get out. But look how easy it is. Like that. Then just give it a little wipe out with a sponge. Now that's ready. See how fast that is? So good. Back when I first started, I used to be banging buckets out with hammers and, you know, pushing on the back of the bucket like I'm giving it CPR. So we're going to do enough of, put enough in so we can go 2 coats, and we're going to salt the first coat up so the second coat's ready to go. Now I'm using corner cement. It's very strong. Working life is 30 to 45 minutes. If you want to know how to mix up, put it between your legs and mix like that. That's pretty good. This is Fibafuse, and this is called Fibafuse Max. So we're going to be using this. This is fine. So we just want to go right along. Just get some compound underneath where the tape's going to go. I've said it 50 million times before. If you're using paper tape, you've got to be careful of bubbles, but Fibafuse, no bubbles, no problem. It's a lot flatter than paper as well, it feels like. Hold it firmly, flatten it out. You can put any excess back on it because we're going to go straight over it in a second. Now I'm just going to glaze over the top. And then I use my bigger blade. And that's good for first coat. Put it on, bed the tape, glaze over it. Get your bigger blade. Gets 3 coats in total. 2 base coats, 1 top coat. Yeah, we're going to try and get 2 coats done with the 1 mix, so gonna have to move fast to get right through to the 4th joint on the 2nd coat. It's all right now, but so let me know in the comments, is your ceiling cracking like this? Have you tried to fix it and it's come back? Do you use Fibafuse? Do you use mesh tape? Easy, easy. And are you in Australia? If you are in Australia and you're looking for a repairer of this kind of nature near you, go to global.maxkill.com. There you'll find a bunch of plasterers that are ready and willing to do your job right now in every capital city in Australia. So check it out, global.maxkill.com. Ready to go. Water damage repairs, new work. I've just done another little mix, added some more salt. This first coat takes the longest because we're bedding the tape. Next coats is just over the top. Yeah, let me know in the comments how much this one's worth. Okay, watch along, see how I fix it, not including sanding, right? We're not coming back to sand. It's not part of the deal. 4 of these joints. We're going to give it a few more minutes for it to dry off a little bit. I think we've got at least another 20 minutes of mud setting time left. Okay, when you're plastering, these are the blades that you need. If you're going to go out and buy some, get a Hawk, get a 6-inch blade, get an 8-inch blade for a second coat normally, get a 10, and get a 12. It's worth spending a little bit extra on blades because you keep them for years. Some people keep them for a whole lifetime. Okay, this isn't getting painted today or anything like that, so it's not 100% dry, but it's dry enough for us. And now we just want to go straight over the top of the tape. Get that middle good. And this is where a lot of people go wrong. You want to be holding the blade like that and coming along to take that edge. You ready? Like that. It's called feathering the edge. Like that. And then we're going to go one down the middle. That's pretty good. We're ready for a top coat. Now we're just going to wait for it to dry a little bit and then we're going to do the top coat. Okay, now we're doing the third and final top coat, and this you don't have to mix up, it already comes pre-mixed. And for the record, this is my favorite kind of top coat. You know what? If you did a survey in Australia, I'd say this is Australia's favorite top coat, made by Plaster. 4T. It's called 4T. And you'll see why I haven't even mixed this up. Obviously, you should mix it up if you're running it through tools, like boxes and that sort of thing. And then top coat, you're going to overlap the existing coats. So I'm using my 12-inch blade. That is done. 4 joints all set, dug out, retaped. The moral of the story is don't use this fiberglass mesh tape. Okay, it's too weak. It goes like this and it will leave a hairline crack. So don't use it. All rubbish. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you next time.